this is a flood event comparison of Tax Day, which is in the gold, and Memorial Day in the orange there, and then and Harvey. This is Brays Bayou at Rice, which obviously affected the Meyerland and Bel Air area. Just notice a comparison of how much more rain, or elevation I should say, came in. 54 feet there at Rice, and then at South Main, 42.9, 42.9, and then Harvey beats that. That's not the other one. Willow Waterhole, Harvey beat the elevations there at Lansdowne Drive as well as Willow Bend. We could probably do those all day, but that's going to continue to be a big problem is the river flooding, regardless of how much more rain we get, because we're already in major flood stage, Cypress Creek near Westfield. It's going to go even 10 feet above record flood stage and stay that way as we go into the weekend and next week. Brazos River at Richmond, the same thing. I'm not going to go over too many of these, but that just gives you the idea that all of the spillways are going to really have to be watched carefully. Okay, we had the 2 tornado warnings that we are talking about. Justin, you were asking me, where's the center?
Yeah, that's what we're trying to figure out.
I tracked that down. There it is. I'll back this out and we'll zoom in again just to get your bearings. Right here into just right there on the Jackson County border between Victoria and Edna, about right there in a little town called Inez, I-N-E-Z. And that is where the lat long is for the center. And you can see it. Yeah, it's not much, but that's it. So that's worth knowing. And always, whenever I speak to groups, I say, you've got to track these things because it's so important about exactly where they are. What kind of play is this really going to make? Is it going to go over the bay? Where is it going to come out? Is it going to, end up in the Gulf, and at what part and for how long? It all makes a huge difference. So that's why we're watching it so carefully. So with that in mind, and this is actually moved since the 7 p.m. advisory, just in 30 minutes. So it's really on the move more than it seems to be. Southeast at 3, I think it's moving a little faster because that lat long is putting it right about here now. So with that in mind, it continues to make that track. So we'll go a little north of there and be more over land, or just come over Matagorda Bay. So that's what we're going to do, is watch it all night. And then makes a play right up, and this is according to the National Hurricane Center, from the south to the north. It's this really the concern. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, Tuesday, and then somewhat into Wednesday is going to be the big play for the heavy rain across the area, which is still a possibility. We're talking about this dry air potential of moving in here and trying to shut things down. And we can talk more about that. You can see right through here, if you just kind of visually draw a line right there, all of the moisture that's pulling into this dry air behind it is not doing much. So there's the dry air, but also that's the weak side. That's the cleaner side of the storm as well. We do see this line is continuous, and the one back over here of Chambers County goes all the way down here. I think it's encouraging that this isn't building. Remember last night, the line that was in
all the way
Galveston County, yeah, it was all the way to Brownsville.
Brownsville at that point. And we saw that line last night near Bay City really beef up about this time of night too, about 7, 8 o'clock. I just got some information, Frank, on that line there in Fort Bend County. This in from the National Weather Service. They said they're watching hourly rainfall rates in northern Fort Bend approaching 3 inches per hour at Buffalo Bayou at Greenbush. So there's our button number. There's our magic number.
Yeah, that's going to be obviously the problem right there, that 3 inches per hour. So that's been all day too. We've had so many tornado warnings from this line. It has moved a little bit because it started out in Needville, so it's moved a little bit, but not much, and it continues now, looks like right over Sugar Land and into the Katy area. So we're going to have to watch that line. We're going to have to watch this line as well, moving to Jefferson County, although that's moved. That was in Chambers and Liberty County, so that's moved as well. And this is the dry air that we are talking about. So, I don't want to make too much of this and say the dry air is just going to take over, but you see what I see here, and it's trying more and more to at least have some influence. And as this system continues to wrap in, the question is, once it gets here, or once it gets here over Matagorda Bay, will it grab that dry air and really fill in, or will it ignore it and just grab all of the moisture? So we're going to have to keep a close eye on this and hope for the best. 40-mile-an-hour winds, southeast flow at 3, direction I should say. Here's the Harvey track with rainfall estimates. This is from the European model, but I will tell you, the American model has even more rain. So this is less. This takes us to about 10, 12 inches by Tuesday and 16 by Wednesday. And it doesn't care about the dry air. clearly. It grabs all of this moisture and beefs it all up. The Hurricane Center and the Weather Service is suggesting that some of the heavier rain is going to end up in Chambers and Liberty County to Beaumont to southwest Louisiana, which would make sense because that is the quote-unquote dirty side of the storm. And always the northeast quadrant is always the dirtier side of the storm relative to the way the storm is going. And if it makes this hook here and then goes north, then clearly that is the northeast side, and that's where we're going to see more action. But saying that, while it's down south, it could pull in ahead of it that moisture that it right off the Gulf. So that's what we're going to be up against. Here's a look at the wind field. 40-mile-an-hour winds with that. There again is the forecasted track that goes right through Brazoria and then eastern Harris County right to San Jacinto County by Wednesday. I stopped it there, but that's what we're looking at. Here's the one spaghetti model, and in my next segment I'll put a bunch of spaghetti models on for you, but the one that really matters is the TVCN because that's the consensus model of all of them. So you can look at all these crazy, literally spaghetti models, but the one noodle that you're going to watch is right there. And that does not go through Brazoria County, it does not go through eastern Houston County or San Jacinto County. That one goes through Galveston, Galveston Bay, Chambers, Liberty, Hardin, and then off to the north, keeping Houston on a little better side, and given that the dirty side is on the east side. So it's one model, but it's a good one. The Hurricane Center takes all of them, likes that one a lot, but still I think has gone a little to the left of it, simply to be on this, at least the safer side of things. 15 to 25 inches more rain through Friday is the official forecast from them. Tropical storm watch in effect, storm surge 1 to 3, rip current swells 35 to 45 mile an hour sustained winds. So we'll have to watch for that. That's not terrible for Galveston and the Bay and you folks there in Brazoria County, but it's something worth noting because any kind of increase, especially at high tide, can cause some quick problems.